Hi Noah, my name is Jason Lee and I'm your new editing buddy. And first of all, I changed formats for your essay. So your format should be first type in your name, class, teacher's name, date, and assignment name. So your assignment name will be myself as the final draft. And you should have a creative title that is unique for your essay. And also these should be double spaced, and it is better to have in these paragraph form, like not as you initially put in the middle line, but make it left align. And as you can see here, I fixed many of your mistakes, and now I'm gonna tell you step by step how to change some of the mistakes you made, and I'll also tell you my recommendation. First, the starting sentences. My name is Noah Lee. I was born in Boston, Massachusetts in 1999. This is a very weak hook. It doesn't really attract the readers to continue reading your essay. So I recommend you start your essay with like explaining about the hardship you had since childhood or your unique traveling life. And here you have some minor grammar mistakes such as have lived. So if it's have lived, it means that you are still living in Boston, which you're not. So you should use had lived. And I noticed as you went on with your writing, you tend to repeat from then on a lot. And I recommend you to omit repetitions because it tends to make people bored when they're reading. And try fixing the sentences like by combining them into one. And I changed this for you, but I'm gonna send you this file so you can see how I changed it. And try avoiding using etc because this is not really efficient writing. And I have a question, like, is these sentences are they separate sentences, because it seems like they're one sentence but it's really listy, so you should condense it. And also expand after you list this places by like saying something like how to shape your character giving you adaptability, or how why this traveling nature of yours is really important to you. And I always like cars, and now they're my interest. This is repetitive, so you should omit it. And I fixed some of the grammar mistakes or sentence fluency mistakes because it seems like I wasn't flowing that much. And I think you should delete this. And also, did you say your grandfather was singer? So this confused me. And also, this last sentence, this doesn't fit into your thesis, which was which was like this, always like car, and those are my interests. Those are your interests. So your concluding sentence should reflect on your thesis statement. And don't use slashes during your essay writing because it's not formal. And lastly, I fixed your sentence fluency problem again. So you should work on your sentence fluency. And this goes with your convention problems too. Also be specific about these what you hope to learn, lots of new things. And lastly, it will be better to connect these goals, short-term goals, to your long-term goal. And if I were a teacher, I'll give you 88%. For ideas, it's still developing. Your ideas are really vague, and therefore you should expand on these statements. Your paragraph and organization is right to the point. And sentence fluency, you have some sentence fluency and conversion problems, but those can be fixed easily. And you lack voice. Like, I can't really see your unique voice except for introduction, so you should work on putting your voice throughout your essay. And word choices, those are okay. So Bye, Noah, and I hope you get a great grade in this essay. And I'll attach this file to your email and check your Google Docs for further recommendations and ideas.